Let's look at this question. 14 boys went to collect berries and returned with a total of 80 berries among themselves. If every boy collected at least one berry each, then what is the minimum number of pairs of boys that must have collected the same number of berries? Okay, so our intent is to keep the same number of berries with different boys to a minimum. How can I do that? Let me give everyone distinct natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. These many berries would be given. But then 14 into 15 by 2, this is equal to 105 berries. But there were only a total of 80 berries that had to be given. So I have to remove 25 berries from the running here. If I have to remove 25 berries from the running, the best way to do it without impacting the different scores would be to remove berries from the highest berry pickers right now. So if I remove 13 from here, why I'm removing only 13 is because everybody collected at least one berry. I reach 1 here and I remove 12 berries from here. I reach 1 berry here. So now the 14 people that we have these many berries each. And now, what is the minimum number of pairs of boys that must have collected the same number of berries? I know only one is getting repeated. Out of these three boys, selecting a pair can be done in 3C2 ways or 3 ways. Therefore, the answer to this question is option B.